Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create the solar system outfit on Dress to Impress. So I just colored my skin blue and made this like face. You could even make that a little bit darker actually, like the blue. Alright, and then what you're going to want to do is you're going to get the pumpkin. You can color it to whatever color you want, but I'm just going to color it a little bit darker to make it look like a planet. Like a little bit more brown, I guess. And then you are going to go here and you're going to grab, where is it? The basketball. You can also, again, color it whatever. I'm just going to use the flames pattern here. Also, make sure you wear a cute outfit, of course. I'm just like trying this out with you guys. Then you're going to select the apple, and again, you're going to color it to whatever color you want. I'm just going to use this. Then you're going to toggle the apple to rosin to the core. Let me just like put on like a blue outfit first. Like maybe this, I don't know. Or like these like stars, obviously. I should probably gone with that, but where is it? Okay, like that. Then wear something maybe for the gloves as well here. Let's see. Okay. Once you're done, oops. Once you're done with everything, you're going to select this toggle and you're going to select the headless one. I'm not sure why it's not. Oh, there you go. It's working. And that is pretty much it. You created a universe. But that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.